China's Shenyang J-35 is getting ready to compete Checkmate Sukhoi Su-75 and market the world. In terms of cost, J-35, it may be the only product in the world that can compete with the Russian Sukhoi Su-75, a fighter aircraft of the fifth generation. The planned manufacturing volume of the J-35 may exceed that of the J-20 because of the possibility of future exports of the J-35 and the prospect of orders from the People's Air Force. Both the F-35 and the Su-57 are very pricey planes right now. Most nations cannot afford to buy or develop their fifth-generation aircraft. Thus, they will look elsewhere to get such planes. Between 300 and 500 aircraft are projected to be in demand for stealth fighters in the future global armaments market. The J-35 has good overall performance and export potential, and it is the most technologically advanced and quickly evolving product produced in China. Because of last year's announcement that Shenyang Aircraft Corporation would actively develop defense trade, it's likely that the J-35 will be the showpiece of this effort. The J-35, which is more technologically advanced than the J-20 and endorsed by the Chinese Navy, will enjoy larger export market benefits than the current domestic efforts to promote the sale of non-stealth fighters, like the J-10 and FC-1 Xiaolong. In terms of cost, it may be the only product in the world that can compete with the Russian Sukhoi Su-75, a fighter aircraft of the fifth generation. The Su-75 is a single-engine aircraft, while the J-35 has two. South Korea, Taiwan, India, and Turkey each have their fifth-generation fighter aircraft program in either the concept development stage or the testing phase. The wisest course of action for Shenyang Aircraft Corporation is to rapidly increase production capacity for the J-35 rapidly. The fact that China has been in the habit of announcing the success of their engine programs every year for the previous 2 decades, although they have not yet achieved it, makes the J-35 fighter's engines the only thing that might potentially derail future sales chances of this aircraft. In this case, Russia will decide the fate of J-35 exports.